Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine at home. Welcome again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's memorize what all things we have discussed in the previous class. Yes, we have discussed about rectilinear motion, circular motion. With the help of an activity and examples, you have understood what is rectilinear and circular motion. Now, what is circular motion? Circular motion which moves along a circular path. And what is rectilinear motion? Yes, which moves along a straight line, that is known as rectilinear motion. So today we will be discussing about periodic motion. What is periodic motion? The motion that repeats itself after some period of time, it is known as periodic motion. To understand it better, let's perform an activity. Let us do an activity. Here what you have to do, take the stone, tie it with the string. Now hold the string in your hand and let the stone hang from it. Now pull the stone one side with the other and let it go. What do you notice? That same type of motion is being repeated again and again. So basically the same pattern of motion is being repeated in periodic interval of time. So that is why this type of motion is called periodic motion. So think of a pendulum clock. I am not sure all of you have pendulum clock at your home, but I am very much sure that you would have seen pendulum clock somewhere or the other. Now let us see how does it work. However, you can relate a lot of things around you where periodic motion takes place. So let's think of swing. So where you can able to see the swing? Yes, in children's park. So what happens when you put little force to it? It keeps moving on its own. That is periodic motion. So let us see some more examples related to periodic motion.
Now let's look at some another examples of periodic motion. Think of guitar. As soon as you pull the string of a guitar, what happens to the string? It starts vibrating. So just try it out if you have a guitar at home. Just pull the string of guitar and leave it. You will see that the string gets vibrates. In fact, a lot of musical instruments exhibits periodic motion like dholak, tabla, sitar. These all are the different types of instruments where you can experience periodic motion with the form of vibration, because vibration is nothing but periodic motion. Swing, bell. So these all are the example of periodic motion. Now you can see in the picture there is periodic motion is there, circular motion is there, and rectilinear motion is there. What is rectilinear motion? Motion in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. What about circular motion? Circular motion is a movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. That is known as circular motion. And the motion that repeats itself after some period of time it is called periodic motion.
Let me conclude today's session. Today what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about periodic motion. And with the help of an activities and example, you have learned what is periodic motion. So dear students, I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. And there will be a test paper related to this topic. So please all of you attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.